Hello and welcome to my channel. I had a company reach out to me and ask me if I would do an unboxing of their sewing machine. I am going to be making another rope bowl, but this time I'm going to be adding the fabric to the back using the FEIYUE sewing machine. This is a great machine. It has 23 built-in stitches, multiple needle positions, 6 bobbins, and 5 sewing feet included. This machine sews so good, just perfect. Here I just wanted to test out a few of the different stitches. And then getting ready to do my rope bowl, I'll turn it to the zigzag stitch. I want to do the widest stitch available. And when I start my rope bowls, I like to get a little circle going, about an inch, inch and a half, put it underneath the foot, and then sew it down real good, making sure to catch all the spots. Here I'm going to do the opposite of the way I normally do rope bowls, and I'm going to put the fabric on the outside, but there'll be a little bit showing on the inside. This FEIYUE sewing machine has been doing great with sewing rope. That is a really good test for a sewing machine. And now I just add the fabric around the rope and sew it down. And I'll put 4 pieces on. And then I'll continue around making a rope bowl, but keeping the fabric on the outside. This sewing machine is doing a great job of making this rope bowl. I'm not having any problems at all. This is becoming one of my favorite ways to end a rope bowl, just adding these little loops on the end. If you are interested in this sewing machine, I will leave a link to it in the description box. I really like the look the fabric makes on the outside of the rope bowl. You could do so many different shapes, different colors. You could have so much fun with this. And then I start and finish my rope bowls in the same way by putting a little piece of tape on there, and then I cut 3/4 of it off, just leaving a little tiny piece there. That holds the rope together. And then when I glue the ending to the rope bowl, I will add a little bit of purple to it with one of these snaps, just to kind of set the basket off a little bit. I want to thank FEIYUE for reaching out to me and asking me to try out their sewing machine. I am extremely impressed with it. It was very good. It's definitely a heavy duty when it can sew rope that easily. I'd like to thank you for watching, and if you'd like to hit the like button and subscribe, that would be great. And at the end of this video, I will put up 2 of my other videos that you can click on. Thanks again for watching.